Hey friends, if you wish to open Internet Explorer in Windows in 2024, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. So here's the thing. Internet Explorer has been delimited and removed in 2024. Once you have updated Windows, I can assure you that you will not be able to use it in Windows 10 and Windows 11. No matter what you try, the legacy version, whatever, because of security reasons. But there's an exception. If you're using Windows 7, then simply search for download Internet Explorer and hit enter. Now, under this Internet Explorer Microsoft Download Center, you will find an option for Internet Explorer 64-bit for Windows 7 only. If you have a 32-bit computer, which is rare, then you can use this one, but I will tell you about this one, okay? You can download it and you can download it on your system and then you can open it, but it is not necessary that it will work because updates are not being pushed. But yes, in some cases you can install Internet Explorer on your system, okay? And after installing it, you need to restart your computer. Now it won't work on my computer. The reason is that I have a Windows 11 computer, but if you have a Windows 7 computer, then upon restarting you will be able to access Internet Explorer. However, the updates are minimal. I guess they are only pushing security updates and nothing else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.